In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to update your 5-digit US zip code shapes to the new Q2 2025 shapes. To do that, click on File, and then click on Download and Install Geography. Click there and you'll see all the available vintages that are currently available. So here you will want to click on the 5-digit zip codes. You'll see it's called version 31 2025 Q2 shapes. And then simply click on Download and the download will start. Then click on OK. So now when you open up a new file, you should be using the 2025 Q2 shapes. You'll be able to verify that by clicking on Info, License and Copyright, and then on Data License, you'll see what you're using. Now, if you still see 2024 Q4 shapes, you'll have to click on OK, go back to File, and then click on Update Geography for the current file you're working on. And then you'll see that the file that I currently have open is still using version 29. So you'll want to select the 2025 shapes to convert the current file to the new shapes. Moving forward, all of the new maps that you open in AlignMix will start with the default setting of the 2025 Q2 shapes. And there you go. You've just learned how to update your zip code shapes in AlignMix.